Assalamualaikum. This is October-November 2019 paper 2 variant 1 and the code is 0580. Let's start solving this paper. Our question number 1 is work out 5% of $25. So we write 5 over 100 times 25 and calculate it. Your answer is 5 over 4 or 1 whole 1 over 4, or you can write in decimal also, 1.25. So in question number 2, factorize 5p plus pt. So your p is common, so you write 5 plus t. So this is straight away your answer. In question number 3, calculate this value. So this is the whole calculator question, so you put the values in your calculator and give your answer, but up to 2 significant figures. So your answer is 3.690 into 1.24 and final answer is 4.6. This is 2SF. Write 15060 in words, so this is 15,060. In standard form you write 15060, you place decimal after 1 and 10 to the power. After decimal count the digits, there are 4 digits, so 10 power 4. So this would be your final answer. Question number 5, simplify this value, so collect the like terms together. So it is 5c minus 2c minus d minus 3d. So 5c minus 2c is 3c, minus d minus 3d is minus 4d. So this is your final answer. Question number 6, solve x minus 2 over 3 equals 3. So the denominator 3 will go to the other side of is equal to sign and it would multiply 3 there. So it becomes x minus 2 is equal to 9. And from here you find x. So x would be 11. Question number 7, simplify 2x power 3 into 3x square. So 2 will multiply by 3 and x power 3 into x power 2. Bases are same, power must be added, so it becomes 6x power 5. Without using a calculator, work out 5 over 16 into 1 whole 1 over 7. So first convert the mixed number into improper fraction. So 5 over 16 into 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8 over 7. Now simplify this. 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 5 over 14. Paula invests $600 at a rate of R% per year simple interest. At the end of 10 years, the total interest earned is $90. Find the value of R. So your P is P is $600, rate is R% and time is 10 years. So I equals $90, I equals PRT over 100. So put the values in it and now isolate R. So your R is 9%. Question number 10 is x power 3 over 8 whole power minus 4 over 3. So if you reciprocate the value written inside the bracket, so power becomes positive. So you write 8 over x power 3 and now you can write positive 4 over 3. So Whatever is written inside the bracket, it has the power 4 over 3. So split it like this, x power 3 whole power 4 over 3. So now you make 8 like 2 power 3 whole power 4 over 3 and x power 3 whole power 4 over 3. Now simplify this. So you get 2 power 4 over x power 4 and 2 power 4 is 16 over x power 4. This would be your final answer. Question number 11. P equals 2r plus pi r. Rearrange the formula to write r in terms of p and pi. So we have to make r the subject, so take r as common. So it becomes p over 2 plus pi equals r. So this would be our final answer. The sides of the square are 15.1 centimeter, correct to 1 dp. Find the upper bound of the area of the square. So correct to 1 dp is 1 over 2 means 0.5. You have to plus or minus. So for upper bound, so area of square is side into side. So you add 0.5 in 15.1. So it becomes 15.5 into 15.5. So this is your 240.25 is your final answer. Question 13. Calculate the area of the triangle. So this is purely an included angle triangle. So area of the included angle triangle is 1 over 2 into side into side into sine of theta. So 1 over 2 into 11 into 13 into sine of 39. So this is 44.99 and 45 is 3 significant figure. This is the answer. Scale of map is 1:10,000,000. On the map, the area of Slovakia is 4.9 centimeters square. Calculate the actual area of Slovakia. Give your answer in square kilometer. So you can make your own formula like map area into scale factor square equals ground area. So map area is given 4.9 and scale factor is also there 10,000,000. So square it and write GA the short of ground area. Now 4.9 the into square of 10,000,000 is 1 into 10 power 14. So this is ground area. Now multiply 4.9 by 1 into 10 power 14. So it becomes 4.9 into 10 power 14. Now you have to convert this into kilometer square. So 100,000 centimeter equals 1 kilometer. So square both sides. So it becomes 1 into 10 power 10 centimeter square equals 1 kilometer square. So now we have to divide 4.9 into 10 power 14 by this value because we are going from smaller to bigger value. So we have to divide. So use your calculator. So your area is 49,000 kilometers square. Question 15. Y is inversely proportional to x square. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Find y when x is equal to 1 by 2. So y is inversely proportional to 1 over x square. Now you write y equals k over x square. From here find the value of k by placing the value of x and y which is given in the question. So your k is 32. Place back this value of k. So the formula becomes y equals 32 over x square. Now you can find y when x is equal to 1 over 2. So place the value of 1 over 2 in x and square it and now solve it. So your value of y is 128. Question number 16. Calculate the obtuse angle x in this triangle. So use the sine rule. So 12 over sine of x equals 8 over sine of 39. Now cross multiply, and from here make sine of x subject, and x is equal to sine inverse of 0.94, which is 70.73. So we have to find the obtuse angle. So subtract this value from 180. So you get the answer 109.26. So 109.3 would be your final answer, because angles are always rounded up to one decimal place. Question number 17. The diagram shows two sectors of circle with the same center. Calculate the shaded area. So first of all, find the area of the whole sector, which is theta over 360 into pi r square. So 45 over 360 into 3.142 into square of 5. So your answer for this is 9.81 centimeter square. Now find out the area of the white sector. So 45 over 360 into 3.142 into 3 square. So your answer is for this 3.53. Now we have to find the area of shaded region. So subtract 3.53 from 9.81. So you will get the answer. .28 up to 3 SF. Question number 18. Write this as a single fraction in its simplest form. So cross multiply, take the LCM, 2 times x plus 1. Now 2 and 2 same, so x will multiply with x plus 1 minus x plus 1 will cancel each other out. So 2 will multiply with the numerator 2x plus 4. Now simplify from here. So this is your final answers. Question number 19. Find MP. MP means we have to multiply this matrix M and matrix P. So write down this. Now row of first matrix will multiply column of the second. So 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. Now 1 into 6 plus 2 into 8. Now row of the first matrix with the column of the second. 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7. Gap 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. Now solve it from here. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 14. 6 plus 16, 15 plus 28, 18 plus 32. Now 5 plus 4, 14, 6 plus 16, 15 plus 28, 18 plus 32. So this is your final answer. In B part, find magnitude of M. Actually, this is the determinant of a matrix. So cross multiply. You write down the matrix M. Now 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2. This is the final answer. Probability that the school bus is late is 9 by 10. Okay. So you write not late. Probability is 1 minus 9 over 10, which is 1 over 10. So if the school bus is late, probability that Seth travels on the bus is 15 over 16. If the school bus is on time, probability that Seth travels on the bus is 3 over 4. find the probability that Seb travel on the bus. So probability of late is 9 over 10 into 15 over 16. Now probability of not late means the bus is on time. 3 over 4 into 1 over 10. So 9 over 10 into 15 over 16 plus 3 over 4 into 1 over 10. So solve it and you get the answer 147 over 160. Alright, this is transformation question. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape T onto shape A. Take any edge of the T and move it towards the shape A to the exactly corresponding edge on the shape A. So I took this, you just see the red mark. It's a translation, and the translation vector is, I took this edge which I marked with the red and move 1 unit to the left means -1, and then go down to the corresponding edge on shape A. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -1, -5 would be the translation vector, and this is full description. Now, on the grid, reflect shape T in the line y is equal to x. So first draw line y is equal to x, and one edge of the shape T is exactly on the line y is equal to x. So this point will not reflect, it will remain at the same place. So the next point I will reflect it here. The second I will reflect here, this point, and the third point is here. I will reflect it here. So now I will join these points, and this shape has been reflected in the line y is equal to x. A pipe is completely full of water. Water flows through the pipe at a speed of 1.2 meter per second into a tank. The cross section of the pipe has an area of 6 centimeters square. Calculate the number of liters of water flowing into the tank in 1 hour. So our values are 1.2, and I'm going to multiply it by 100 because we have to convert this into centimeter. So multiply from meter to centimeter, multiply by 100, and he said in 1 hour, so there are 2 times 60 in 1 hour, and the area cross section is 6, so multiply by 6 also. Now we have to convert it into the liters, so divide it by 1000. So now use your calculator to find out the value. So this is 2592 liters. Complete each of the following statement. A intersection B. So you check what are the elements which are same in A and B. So you will see 2 and 5 in both. N of B. N means number of elements in B. So there are 3 elements in B. 046 equals dash intersection dash. So 046, you see 046 is written in set A. So I can say this is A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement means other than B. These 3 numbers are in A, not in B. So not in B means B complement. Okay, 24-A. I can say that 24 is a subset of A. Question number 24. Find g of find f of g of 3. So find g of 3. So g of 3 equals 2 power 3, which is 8. So f of 8 equals 3 times 8 minus 5. So this is 24 minus 5, which is 19. Now f inverse of x. So let f of x is equal to y. So I can write now y equals 3x minus 5. From here I will make x the subject. So f inverse of x would be replace y by x. So x plus 5 over 3. So this is your final answer. Question number 25. O is the origin. OP equals 2 times OA means OA and AP are the same. It means A is in the middle. OQ equals 3OB. So OQ is 3OB. 1 OB is already inside OQ. So BQ would be 2. PM equals NQ. It means M is in the middle. So find in term of P and Q in its simplest form, BA. So BA is BO plus OA. BO is minus 1 over 3 of Q plus OA is half of P. Or you can write 1 over 2P minus 1 over 3Q. Position vector of M. Position vector of M means OM. So you can write OM equals OQ plus QM. OQ is your Q, and Q for QM you find QP. So QP is OP minus OQ. So OP is P, OQ is Q. So your QM is half of P minus Q. Write this value here under QM, and from here now simplify, take the LCM 2. So it becomes 2Q plus P minus Q, and 2Q minus Q is Q plus P over 2, or you can write 1 over 2 P plus Q. So this is your answer for this question. Question number 26. A car travels at 20 meters per second for 15 seconds before it comes to rest by decelerating at 2.5 meters per second square. Find the total distance traveled. So first of all, find after 15 seconds how much time it took. So deceleration equals y over x. So you write d is equal to y over x. So d is given, d means decelerating. 2.5 equals y is your 20 and x is your time. So your x is 8 seconds. So you write 8 here and add 8 in 15, so 23. Total time it took 23 seconds. Now area under the graph is always distance in speed time graph. So I am taking it as a trapezium. So 1 over 2 into height into sum of parallel sides. 1 over 2 into height is always between the parallel lines, which is 20. And sum of parallel side is 23 plus 15. Now solve it. So your distance is 380 meters. So that is it. This is my WhatsApp number, and I'm from Pakistan. If any inquiry or any question, you can contact me on this number. Thank you. See you in the next